Alright, hey, welcome back to the channel. This episode we're gonna keep knocking away at the trike, try to get this done. Right now what I'm gonna do, we're gonna take this canopy front cowl portion off, and then we're gonna start working on our sides right here. So we're just gonna make two little skirts and then bond them to the full cover. Once we have that done, we can begin to address the front end as well. So take this off, make our sides, bond it together, make one big piece that we can take on and off, and then work on our front end. So we'll see how far we get. Hopefully we get the sides and the front, but it might just be, but it just might be the sides by themselves. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to keep going the way we were going before. We're going to use that corrugated plastic to build out a piece that's going to go across here and all the way back to here from the underside. So it's going to be flush with this and then just kind of taper out. And then we're going to take and get a piece of foam, cut out what we need on the back side of it to accommodate these wires and everything. That way it provides a space, and put it right up against here, and then make a transition between those two. Alright, so now we got the sides pretty much situated exactly where we want them. I'm starting to take a look at this front end, see what we're going to end up doing here. Got a couple of ideas, but I think I'm going to have to sleep on it and start crafting it tomorrow. Right now I'm looking that we'll do this whole thing as one huge piece, and then for our charge port down here, I'm thinking about we'll take and cut out a piece right here so we can come down and plug it in, and then just have it as a panel that you just tack back up, maybe on some quick latches or something. So I think that's the way we're gonna go with this. It's looking pretty good so far. I like it. I like that it's got a little lip, so it's not just kind of boring, you know, it looks like a cover that was made out of sheet metal or anything. So we'll do that. I'm gonna think on this overnight and then we'll pick this back up tomorrow.
The next morning.
All right, let's see this. So, now we'll just tape that in place. See what we do from here. Something I just noticed is that it's sitting right on the knuckle for the steering, so when I turn it, you guys see how that's moving it? So we gotta lift it up a little bit on the front side, give it a little more space. So all we're gonna do for that is we're gonna take and put this guy up here. That will give us enough clearance where it's no longer gonna rub. Alright guys, so now that we have a mold, we're going to go ahead, get some fiberglass ready, and then we'll go ahead and lay fiberglass down. Alright, so we got a box full of this chop strand. Then we got this pack right here of the woven, and that should be enough to get us started on the front end. Alright guys, so we got a coat on there already. We let it set up for about 2 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay down the next one on top of it. Alright, before we part ways, let's go ahead and peel this off. Alright, and with that, we have our front portion pretty much done. I'm going to do a little bit of reinforcing here and there, but overall this is a done deal. I'm going to do a front lower lip on there. It should be good. I want to do some sort of ornate grill, so to say, on the front side. And then I want to put a bar that goes across, kind of like a little bumper from here all the way to the other side as well. So, it's going to be it for this episode. See you all in the next one. Couldn't leave you guys hanging like that, could I?